Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how to play YouTube videos in your phone background. So let's start the video. First of all, open Chrome browser and from here go to youtube.com. After that, here click on three-dot option in the top right corner. Then scroll down and click on desktop site. And now from here open your favorite podcast, music videos or anything. After that, pause it. Just tap on above of this video and here tap on home button and then pull down your notification bar and then you will see here your video notification. Here you will see a play button option. Just tap on it. That's it. Now you can enjoy your favorite videos, music or podcast. And also now you can use all software while playing this video in background. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.